To live is to experience. To see, to touch and taste true beauty. Photographs pale in comparison. Travel guides can only take you so far. It's a journey you have to make to enrich yourself, rediscover who you are. When you are in Sikkim, a place favored by the gods, you witness creation in its purity. Wake up to sacred sights. Hear the sighs of ancient prayers. In a place rich with stories to create and share, you become the storyteller.
I really like to see the different dresses. It's wonderful to be here.
Brought to you by the Sikkim Tourism Development Corporation.